Okay. Future of HRM. So,
Sir, Shashi present.
what ma? Once again. Pardon? Guys. Can you visible?
Sir,
Yes,
Sai
yes.
Talapani present, sir.
Sai?
Sai Talapaneni.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Can you see? Can you visible slide, ma?
Yes, sir.
Shashi also present, sir.
Okay, ma. Please read out that first slide, ma.
Future of HRM.
Very nice, very nice. Okay. So, by yesterday, we have discussed evolution of HRM. And one more topic is future of HRM. So, what will be future? What will happen in the future? What will happen HR trend, HR aspect in future? So, this topic is also one of the major topic in second module, future of human resource. Future of human resource. First one, transformation leadership. Yes, leadership is major quality, major soundness knowledge in corporate sector. Without leadership quality, the people not able to run the manage the employees in the corporate. So at the same time, leadership quality, how to lead the employees, how to tackle the employees, how to solve the problem among the employees. So these tactics are also known by the a good leader. Can I audible, guys? Let's reply. Can I audible very clear?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay, so traditionally, the delegation of authority is in an organization usually follow a formal hierarchical structure with clear lines of accountability. Delegation of authority, power and authority. This word is also important. Power and authority. So, power given, authority also given. But what is the management functions are going on? What are management functions followed by the people? Authority and power. Authority means you also appointed as a general manager. You also appointed as managing director or manager or supervisor or cashier or any designation also given to you. The authority given. So the post, that means you are as a authority persons for manager, managing the function. You also manager. The same time, what are powers are given to managing post, manager post. That's also important. Power, authority and powers also different. So both of the terms are followed by the manager. But higher authority people to be allocated authority at the same time powers. Then only that post also done by the people very successfully. Authority means the designation or post given to the people. After that, what are responsibility? That means power within the limit of the power in the organization. For example, you are a sales manager. The authority given to you as sales manager in the organization. At the same time, what are powers followed? What are powers included for sales manager? The sales managers control the sales aspect only. So the power only how to sell, how to promote the product, how to sell the product, and how to sales mixing aspect and advertising aspect. So those selling or sales aspect only followed by the sales manager. So the powers also given. In case some problem arises in the sales department, how to tackle that. So the decision to be taken by the sales manager, the power is also given. So the authority in organization, traditionally the delegation of authority in an organization nowadays, delegation of authority. Yes, general manager, managing director, general manager, line manager, supervisor, and although the bottom level employees. So every people are alerted, every people are dedicated the authority. The organization, as usual, follows. But the digitalized world nowadays, in the modern world, nowadays the globalized business trade in the world. So the digitalized world has, however, found larger success with a networked organization. Such setup often enable individuals to initiative leadership. Yes, nowadays globalization process are going on. Globalization HR knowledge is also going on. Globalized human resource management also followed by the international organization. So that globalization network must be needed. So transformations of leadership is very much needed nowadays and future also. Okay, so even if sometime without formal authority, especially where the sources of work are plentiful and work relationship are numerous, leadership in this new world will be less about leading people and more about uh, orchestrating the ecosystem of work. Yes. So please look at this picture slide. First, the leadership, who is higher responsibility person, managing director, and after that, what are next line authority person? I think chief executive officer. After that, who is responsible of the organization? Who is the responsibility of the organization? Who is next cadre and a line manager? After that, going on. So the transformation of leadership, the same time, delegation of authority to the leader. So those transformations activities followed in the organization, then only we will be or the organization will be carried, the organization human resource sources may be followed very successfully. Okay, transformation of leadership is also in future aspect of human resource oriented. And next one more, uh, more personalized and transparent total rewards. Total rewards. Yes, guys, I'm audible, guys. Please, 1 second. Can I check you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Second slide. Future of human resource. More personalized and transparent total rewards. Yes, I think a very important trend that we have observed is more personalized and transparent management of total rewards. Many organizations are transforming into a job-based pay structure, and this allows employee to more easily compare pay to those offered to others. The first, discussing pay and benefits openly with each other was widely considered as taboo, but with the achievement social media and digital platforms, pay and benefits detail are now more uh, available to the public. Yes, previously pay for performance mean merit increase and incentive pay based on last year company performance plus individual bonus based on performance rating. Today, the changing business model and shifting nature of work are now challenging the individual performance definitions and the role of base pay, especially now that guaranteed job is no longer a desirable goal for many talent today. Organizations are looking to redefine what career means and to enable career security and stable through career development. This will lead to more pay customization and segmentation in the coming year. So based on this statement under this title, we are going to think that what will be needed, what are needed in future human resource management. Yes, in previous days, previously the performance may be analyzed every year, but nowadays each and every people performance can be analyzed based on performance sheets. Yes, I think I think today the nature of works are now challenging. Yes, if you are not able to continue that work, if you are not able to good, if you are not able to do that work very effectively, definitely you will be terminated. You will be removed that from that post. So that's why you have to face challenging the job, individual performance. Yes. For example, 1,000 employees are working in the factory, Infosys Limited, whatever it is. So all the 1,000 employees are working not effectively. Some of the employees are working effectively, and some of the employees are working average performance, and a little percentage of the employees are working ineffectively. But we have to face the challenge day to day knowledge, technological knowledge, technological system. We have to update HR, or the people have to update the present human resource knowledge based on the globalized environment, globalized human resource environment. So nowadays, very challenging. The personalized and transparent total rewards. Yes, rewards means what here? Today, the people or employees are motivated by rewards. Yes, rewards means bonus, the positive motivation or negative motivation. If you are working effectively, you will be motivated as next cadre, next promotion, or otherwise financially motivated, otherwise bonus, whatever it is. So nowadays, the performance employees, the efficient employees, the efficient workers are motivated by rewards. That means individual bonus, individual incentive. So these aspects also look at by the human resource aspect nowadays. In future also the same. In future, what will happen? I didn't predict that one. So rewards and awards or bonus, whatever it is, this will happen in future. So these points also focused by the human resource department in future perspective. Next, one more future of HRM, HR, targeted recruitment driven by social media and a cognitive assessment. Yes, recruitment can be hold and focused through digital tool such as social and media. Yes, nowadays, so all the recruitment process is also followed in through online platform. Yes, nowadays, I buy this especially this time. So this quarantine and the lockdown is going on, and this time all the most of the companies are following recruitment process through online platform, digitalized only. Nowadays, most of the employees are work from home. So all the industry work, all the company works are done through only online platform. Is in future, everything is going on only through online platform, only without physical work. Without physical work, all the works are done by the people through internet or digitalized oriented. Yes, such as media. Nowadays, in future also, the recruitment, nowadays also the recruitment process and selection process also followed through social media, cognitive assessment, everything is followed in future. So, but we didn't predict what will new technology, new recruitment technology, and so followed social media in the regarding to recruitment selection process. Yes, so I didn't predict. So scientists and science growth and technology growth is also going on advanced level. Nowadays, fourth, we are following is 3G, 4G, 4G technology. So by this time, 5G technology is also going on in China, in America, but in India, only 4G is going on. 4G technology is going on. So this technology is also applicable to human resource. How to utilize human resource by digitalized, through digitalized oriented. Yes. So you should aspect, you should orient, you should analyze, you should focus. So what will happen in future? The human resource utilized in the human resource management. That's also important. Next, one more topic, one more point. Improving the employees' experiencing by applying product design thinking. Yes. Am I audible, guys? Please, once again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, thank you. So by this time, 10:24 only. Another 5 minutes. We have to discuss for another 5 minutes. Okay. Improving the employee experience by applying product design thinking. Yes. How to improve the knowledge, how to improve the employee experience by way of applying product design. Yes, the customer or consumer expect the product design, style of the product, design of the product, attractive colors of the packaging colors of the product. Everything is observed by the consumer. So the employees are also improving the experience through or applying their product design thinking. Yes, nowadays, how to design? For example, nowadays, nano car technology is going at the time. So by this time, that nano car technology also stopped, not going to successfully. But so the people expect a low price of the product, low price of the car, at the same time, high quality of the product. That's also important. So the people experience is also increased by through the product design and thinking in future. Yes, your HR manager, as a HR manager, should attract the employees through your attitude, aptitude by applying the product. Yes, it's also important. And one more features of HRM. Yes, case study. Case study more much important for administrator as well as HR manager. Yes, you can go through all the case study in the corporate case study. So what are problems? So how to solve that problem? The problem in the company. The problem how to solve, how solve that problem is also important. So case study more much important to improving the human resource placed in the corporate to source potential hires. This multinational consumer goods company plays as for entry level position on social media to target online user. Yes, so with an algorithm into place to shift through qualification potential application and can click on the ads and supply with the apply via through LinkedIn profile. Yes, nowadays the LinkedIn profile is also available. After the initial assortment, qualifying the applicant receive 12 online games, test and video recording. So nowadays most of the video records, case study also records, online games also test also available in the website, in the webline platform. Number of case study videos also available. You can go through, you can watch that one, how to solve that problem, how to, what are message also included in that case study. So these are also important. The company says 80% of the applicants granted an in-person interview or given an offer. Yes, nowadays this most important role is also about case study. Nowadays the company is going to give the one case to you. So that case, how to solve that case, it's important. That's also nowadays a future, in future, nowadays is going on, in future also this is very much important. Next one, leveraging people analytics to improve organizational performance. Leveraging people, that means motivating by way of some way, some technical way, some that means some hypothetical ways also applied. Improve organizational performance. How to improve the organizational performance? By way of human resource, by way of the people resource utilized in the organization, in the firm. Without a human resource, without a human knowledge, without a human smart knowledge, everything is not possible. Yes, with the human resource utilized in the organization or firm, then only the organizational performance to be improved is also very success. So the use of people analytics and predictive talent model can enable HR to more effectively and rapidly identify, recruit, develop, and retain the right talent. It can help the business to improve the organization performance. HR access to this insight can help organization better identify current pain point and priorities future analytic investment. For instance, with the data analytic recruitment, HR many find the correlation between academic background and performance to identify and hire the right for the organization. Data analytics may also help organization to accurately identify employees who are at a high risk of leaving and convince them to stay with more informed effort. They could further lead to increased employee satisfaction. Nowadays, HR analytics is needed. Yes, because in big organization, a number of employees are working in that organization. How to follow the analytical records, business analytical records, human analytical records. That's important. In future, nowadays is going on analytical, business analytical is most important one in the business sector or corporate sector. This is also very much important. Yes, nowadays is very much important one, future aspect. Next one, the last one, redefining human resource management. Redefine. Yes, in previous yearly, the primary agricultural sectors followed. After that, some evaluations are also going on. So nowadays, the human resource management also followed. The human resource management topics also followed, and at the same time, redefine how to redefine the management, human resource management. Yes, HR operation are changing through the use of next generation automation tools and standardized process. This is turn rise service level and improve the employee experience. Yes, to drive improvement in operational performance, HR is becoming more agile, functional, changing in HR operation, freeing up HR professional for more strategic work. Yes, this is also enabling the emergence of new role such as workforce, analytic professional, robot trainer, virtual culture, or architect, data, talent and integrator and cyber ecosystem designer. Yes, this is important. Nowadays, everything is digitalized or is aspect are going on. Yes, workforce analytical professional, robot trainer, robot. Even the road street vendor is also following the that means the speaker, I think record speaker is also announced. No one raising, raising the voice or voice to the customers. Everything is recorded, and after that, the record is also opened in the shop. So, robot trainer is also important. Nowadays, the people are not ready to go to the training given to the people directly. Robot. In future, nowadays is going on in big developed countries also following the robot trainers also following that system. So in future, it is also going on in future. Nowadays, after 10 years, I think nowadays the board presentation, the board teaching is also going on. After 10 years, it is not possible. Is it? I think it is not possible to. I think board presentation is not available in future after 10 years. The teacher is also teaching directly to the students in the classroom or board presentation. After 10 years, no teacher in front of you. So all the teaching platform, all the teaching notes also explained through robot or also only through online platform. Nowadays is going on. So in after 10 years, 20 years, no direct teaching by the teacher to you in front of you. Everything is possible in future. So we have to think that HR point of view in future, what will happen, what will going on, what will be available in future HRMs also discussed in this session. Okay, first slide, transformation of leadership, and one more future, more personalized and transparent total rewards, and targeted recruitment driven by social media and cognitive assessment. And one more feature, improving the employee experience, applying product design, and case study. And one more last one, leveraging people analytics to improve organizational performance. So these are all features also included in HR, human resources, definitely after our coming or forthcoming periods also. This process also definitely to be applied in human resource topic. Yes, please let's come to the back to meeting. Yes, back to meeting. Just wait, all of you. I stop recording. Okay, stop recording.